Hello kids, my name is Dean, and today I'm going to help you create a craft project in your kitchen using basic household items to make an oil lamp, your very own oil lamp. Let me show you some of the items you may need. An empty old small bottle of water, some cooking oil, and food coloring. 3 colors actually. Blue, green, and red. Let's begin. First, we're going to remove the label outside the bottle. Maybe you need some scissors too. So we can see the oil bouncing up and down. Now, we're going to pour a little oil into the bottle. It may make a little mess, but it's okay. All right. Wipe away a little excess off the sides. Now, let's see what I got in here for food coloring. We have a blue, a green, and what else? Let's see, and a red. All right, let's do a drip or 2 of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, who knows? I'm gonna try not to make a mess. How about some green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, 8. Yeah, that looks good. And finally, the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sure. Hey, we did it without making a mess. Great. Let's place the top back on here, and look at our colorful oil lamp. Wow. It really looks great in the sun. That is gorgeous. And there you go, kids. Hope you had fun. Bye.